What we think is that the new currency is relevancy. 57% of consumers in our study say they don't engage with ads because they're not relevant to them. And 66% wish ads were more relevant to them and their lifestyle. So we think that the new currency for advertising is the combination of meeting a consumer need, meeting a moment in time, and evoking an emotion. And the good news is there's lots of opportunity for improvement. And so when you ask consumers to think about all the ads they've seen and the percentage of those ads that have a positive impact on their lives, only 9% of the ads people have seen are negative. I truly don't believe people hate advertising. They hate irrelevant advertising. 69% of those ads that our consumers have seen, the consumers we surveyed, are neutral. So they're somewhat numb to advertising. They don't love it, but it's neutral. But 22% said they had a positive experience. So we know that too many ads are just not relevant to consumers, and we can do more to improve the relevancy of those ads. But all ads are not created equal. As somebody that had a lot to do with programmatic advertising and the advancements in how we use data to target ads to people in their environment, it's a shame to see that in many ways we've put the technology to work for advertising that's not nearly as relevant. And this is true of retargeting ads that follow you around the internet, even though you've lost interest in the item or you've already purchased the item. It's true of intrusive ads, particularly in a mobile environment where you can't get to your content because you see an ad in front of you that's blocking you from that content. And I think it's particularly true when it comes to creative. We've gone to the lowest common denominator in terms of putting a creative product in front of consumers, particularly in a digital environment. Many of the ads we see that are data-driven and programmatic are not creative. They don't evoke an emotion. They don't tell a story. But if you contrast that to what's going on in TV, not on the large digital platforms, but on TV, we know that viewers still love TV. They love it because there's premium content. They love it because of the sight, sound, and motion, the lean-back experience of TV. TV also has some issues with respect to how we're thinking about advertising. There are too many commercials. There's too much commercial time within television programming. And there are far too many irrelevant ads at far too high a frequency on TV. And we can do better than that.